Is Bandhan Life's guaranteed income plan really your ticket to a dependable secondary income or just a life insurance product dressed as an annuity? Let us find out the answer to this question through an in-depth analysis in this video. Hi there, welcome back to holisticinvestment.in, where we help individual investors like you to make the right financial and investment decision to reach your financial goals in a more faster and smarter way. Now, before analyzing this policy, let us first understand a few basic details about it. So, this is a non-linked, non-participating life insurance individual savings plan. Some of the key features of the policy are guaranteed benefits with two plan options tailored to your financial needs. You get assured income stream to support both short-term and long-term goals while keeping you insured, and you have the option to receive income immediately starting from the first policy month. You have the flexibility to accumulate the payouts and build a future wealth corpus, and you also have return of premium feature which offers a lump sum benefit. There are also tax benefits available as per the prevailing tax laws. So these are some of the key features of the policy, and there are benefits like death benefit, survival benefit, and maturity benefit, which will differ based on the plan option you have opted for. So some of the advantages are you can choose to accumulate the secured income at any point during the policy term. The premium offset feature allows you to adjust future premiums using the secured income payouts received. You may opt to receive secured income or guaranteed income payouts on any date of your choice, not just on the policy anniversary. By default, payouts are made in arrears, but you also have the option to receive them in advance. So income payout frequency is flexible, so you can choose from yearly, half yearly, quarterly, or monthly mode, and you can modify your premium payment frequency anytime during the premium payment term. Policy loans are also available up to a maximum of 80% of the surrender value at the time of availing the loan. So these are some of the advantages. However, there are some disadvantages like survival benefits are generally suited only for discretionary or non-essential expenses. Although these benefits are guaranteed, the overall returns tend to be modest, and the sum assured offered under the plan may fall short of adequately meeting your financial protection needs. So these are some of the drawbacks of this plan that we need to consider before deciding to invest in this plan. Now, as we have a basic idea about this policy, let us move on to the analysis part of the video, where we are going to conduct an IRR analysis based on the benefit illustration given in the policy brochure. However, if you still want to know more about certain aspects of the policy in detail, you can refer to the policy brochure as well. So for calculation purpose, let us assume that a 35-year-old male opts for this policy with a sum assured of 11 lakhs and a premium payment term of 10 years. This plan runs for 25 years, during which the survival benefit is paid annually. So he has chosen the extended benefit option. So here, starting from the end of the first policy year, the plan provides a guaranteed income of 34,450 rupees along with the maturity benefit of 10 lakh. However, the internal rate of return IRR works out to be just 4.67% as per the policy's maturity calculator, which is lower than what most debt instruments offer. In addition, both the guaranteed income and the sum assured are insufficient. Over such a long-term period, these payouts fail to keep up with inflation, making this policy a weak fit for a well-diversified financial portfolio. So now, as we know that this policy does not give us the desirable outcome that we need, let us move on to a comparative analysis, where we are going to take up an alternative approach in which, instead of investing in insurance and investment combining in under a single policy like Bandhan policy, we are going to invest in it separately just to see whether that can give us better efficient returns compared to a combined policy like Bandhan policy. So here, for life cover purpose, we have taken up a pure term life insurance policy with 11 lakh sum assured, which cost us around 10,800 rupees annually for a 10-year premium payment term and a 25-year policy duration. The remaining 89,200 rupees can then be invested according to one's risk profile, allowing the accumulated corpus to generate systematic annual withdrawals similar to the survival benefits offered by the Bandhan policy. So, if you assume the surplus premium is invested in an equity mutual fund, the investment supports yearly withdrawals that match the plan's survival benefits. At the end of 25 years, the entire investment is redeemed to replicate the maturity benefit of the Bandhan policy. So, since annual withdrawals fall within the 1.25 lakhs capital gains exemption limit, tax applies only at final redemption. The investment grows to 50.37 lakh, and after capital gains tax, the post-tax value stands at 45.34 lakh. This cash flow delivers an impressive 10.59% IRR. This alternative approach not only beats inflation but also offers far greater flexibility to adjust withdrawals as per financial needs. So, when compared side by side, it becomes evident that more efficient strategies exist for generating regular income. The Bandhan policy therefore falls short as an optimal investment plan. So, what is the final verdict then? Is investing in the Bandhan Life guaranteed income plan worth it or not? So, this policy provides survival benefits and a maturity benefit either as a lump sum or as regular payout. While these benefits are guaranteed, the returns are notably subpar. A guaranteed structure alone should not justify including this plan in your portfolio. Additionally, the sum assured is inadequate, and when combined with the plan's low returns, its overall effectiveness diminishes even further, and it also has a high agent commission. This makes it an unsuitable choice for a well-balanced investment portfolio. Traditional life insurance policies like these are best avoided for meeting regular income needs. A more efficient approach is to build a strong corpus through investments aligned with your risk appetite. This not only offers better returns and liquidity but also allows you to choose the right amount of life cover to protect your family. A pure term life insurance policy provides essential protection, while a diversified investment portfolio helps grow your wealth effectively.
You can definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.